Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications on the menu today. Sweet and sour fish, really easy. We're using a dory fish. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So I'm using dory fish. That was frozen. I've defrosted it, and when you defrost it, it's good to kind of get a nice paper towel on it just to get any excess water from it. We're going to cut that up in a moment. Bell peppers, onion, carrots, ketchup, green onions or spring onions, vinegar, brown sugar, chopped garlic, and ginger. Let's start by preparing our fish. Okay, so we're going to prepare the fish. Now what I've done is I've just cut it into nice kind of sized bits. You can cut it smaller if you want. I've got some flour there, which we're going to season with black pepper and salt. Just give that a little mix. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to get them in and just flour them up. Because this fish is a very delicate little fish, so once that's all done, we can get over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a couple of centimeters or so of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can be using anything you like. What we're going to do is drop our fish in there. Don't overcrowd the pan. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. What this is going to do is it's going to keep the fish together as well, because like I say, dory fish is a very delicate fish, so frying it is going to keep it nice and tough, you know, so the pieces remain, they don't break up. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, out this comes, and I've got another batch to do, so let me do this. We're just going to set this aside, then we can move on. Okay, so look, our fish is there. Set that aside. And I've reduced the oil down by, I don't know, 90%, there's a touch of oil in there. We're going to start off, got the heat on again, we're going to start off by dropping in ginger, onions, carrots, and our garlic. Lively heat, keep it moving, 3 minutes. Okay, so that's like 3 or 4 minutes, still nice and crunchy. Everything we're going to do is nice and crunchy here. I'm now going to add some salt. Some black pepper. Our bell peppers. And now our fish, our fried fish, in that goes. And although it's been fried, we still need to be fairly gentle. Because like I say, this fish is very, very delicate. Okay, we're nearly there. We're now going to add some brown sugar. Ketchup. By the way, all of the amounts and everything are below in the text. Vinegar. Little bit of water, not too much. And then we're going to move this around for about 2 minutes on this high heat. And look at that, absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. If you wanted some fresh chilli in there, could work. I'm going to go with some green onions or spring onions, whatever you call that. And that is done. Hope you enjoy that. That's delicious with white rice, by the way. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon just below. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?